Guys, Michi Sanchez, we're back. I'm gonna show you how to build this I'll show you my Lego Transformer Bumblebee. I really like the design, but the front looks good, but the back, yeah, you can see the head. I tried making Bumblebee a Cybertruck, but I tried my best. What I got. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Let's get to transforming. The first do is go to the side, flip this down, load another one. Now it's like supposed to be like this. Okay, now it's like this. The wheels. What I now do is hold out the arms, fold it down, swing it around, and then fold out the arms like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Looks like this now, but it's like happy. You must have just put it up there for a while. While you're at that, just fold this up like this. It's like there next to the wheels, and then next fold this down. Then next you can just get it now. You can just get the wheels. Also, you don't take out the wheels, you just fold it up by this piece right here. Next, now you can fold now. You want to go to the back, flip this piece up, fold it down, and the next fold out the arms. That release the head. Now I'm not done yet. You want to just next do is fold up go back again, folds up, slide. It's always broke since whenever I'm making a YouTube channel, I think everything broke. Yeah, fold down, then do this. Now if you like the symbol, he is like in the robot mode. Now it's like this. The legs you can just split it out, but see the green piece here, you gotta check it out, put it on his butt. This entire made up right now. Now it's in the butt, and then you can slide it out. Then next you just hold out. Now I make the episode now. Got Lego Bumblebee. That's all I say. Thank you. Bye.